You're still in the history the youngest MotoGP world champion. Now you can be the oldest MotoGP world champion. How important is this benchmark for you? And the second question, what's different between the young Mark and the old Mark?
I prefer the first one, to be the youngest. But the oldest, which is the oldest, I don't know. How old?
30 years.
Already this year I can be the oldest?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't like that number, but let's see. Of course, for me, more than the oldest is after the injury, the comeback. That is, for me is the most important. Last year I proved to myself that never give up and try to be confident in yourself is one of the secrets. And yeah, I will try this year to keep the same mentality. Keep enjoying, you know. It has been a lot. I has win a lot on the past. I won a lot on the past. In the future, we will see. But after the injury, everything what arrive will be a present.
And what's different between the young Mark and the old Mark?
More the young Mark and the old Mark is the experience you have during your career, and yeah, that changed a lot. Not winning. The bad moments, because when you are winning, you learn, but you don't learn a lot because you are doing a correct way and the correct things in a correct way, and then when you have bad moments, difficult experience, that is when you are learning more, and when you start to realize what is winning, because when you are there on the top, you don't understand.